Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to remove white edges using Photoshop. So let's open our Photoshop software. And as you can see, this image has a white outline all over it. But I don't really want it. So what can I do? Simply right click on this thumbnail of the image and then click on select pixels. Then go to select and then click on modify and select contract. Now here you can select any number but start with 5. Hit OK and then zoom in using Ctrl and plus to see if you're satisfied with the result. If not, click on Ctrl Z and then follow the same steps. Now select a single number higher or lower depending on how you want to change it and then click on OK. And as you can see here, the white part has been traced. So simply click on this layer masks and the white edge is removed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.